Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing 15% of your paycheck disappear. No court, no lawyer, just a government notice on your desk. That's the new reality for millions of Americans. The student loan freeze that lasted 5 years is finally over, and the government is ready to take a slice of what you earn. I'm Slothy, and today I'm flipping the whole student loan system upside down to show you how we got here, why it's fundamentally broken, and most importantly, what you can do right now to protect your paycheck. Stay tuned, because the next 5 minutes could save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. If you've ever felt the sting of a student loan bill, hit subscribe now so you never miss a money-saving tip. From March 2019, the Department of Education put a blanket freeze on collections. It was a lifeline for 5 million borrowers. But on January 1st, 2026, that safety net vanished. Now the government can take up to 15% of your disposable income straight from your paycheck. No court hearing, no appeal. Disposable income is what's left after taxes and mandatory deductions. So if you bring home $4,000 a month after taxes, the Treasury could pull $600 before you even see it. Public sector workers, recent graduates, and anyone whose loan has been in true default for 90 days are the first targets. The default pool could double in the next 2 years, reaching 10 million borrowers. In this video, you'll learn 3 things: how the garnishment law works, why the whole system is fundamentally broken, and 3 concrete actions you can take today to keep your money safe. If this is blowing your mind, smash that like button and tell me in the comments what part worries you the most. And remember, if you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring together. Now let's dig into the 3 steps you can take right this instant to stop the paycheck bleed before it even starts. First, find out whether your loan is truly in default. The Department of Education's online portal lets you pull a detailed statement with a single click. If you see a balance listed as default, but you've made a payment in the last 60 days, you may be able to request a retroactive reinstatement, which can pull your account out of the garnishment queue. It's a quick call, a few minutes of paperwork, and it can buy you precious breathing room. Second, explore an income-driven repayment plan. These plans recalculate your monthly obligation based on your adjusted gross income, family size, and tax filing status, and they cap the payment at a low percentage of your disposable earnings. The good news is that once you're enrolled, the Department of Education is required to suspend any wage garnishment action until the new payment schedule is approved. The key is to act fast. Submit the necessary documentation within the first 30 days after you receive a garnishment notice. Otherwise, the withholding can begin without warning. Third, consider filing a formal dispute with the Office of the Inspector General. This isn't a courtroom battle, it's a bureaucratic appeal that forces the agency to review whether the garnishment was issued in compliance with the law. In many cases, the review uncovers procedural errors, such as missing notices or miscalculated disposable income, that result in the notice being rescinded. While you're waiting for a decision, the agency must place a temporary hold on any further deductions. If none of these routes work, you still have a safety net: bankruptcy. Although student loans are notoriously hard to discharge, recent court rulers have opened a narrow path for borrowers who can prove undue hardship. It's a lengthy process, but for those staring at a paycheck that's been sliced in half, it can be a last-ditch lifeline. Consulting a bankruptcy attorney who specializes in student debt will give you a clear picture of whether this avenue is viable for your situation. All of these strategies share one common thread: act before the first dollar is taken out of your account. The government's garnishment power only kicks in after a formal notice is issued, so the window of opportunity is right now, not later. Keep copies of every letter you send, note the dates, and follow up relentlessly. Persistence pays off, especially when the stakes are your monthly income. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you already received a garnishment notice, or are you just feeling the anxiety of a looming deadline? Drop a comment below sharing your story or any questions you still have. The community thrives on those real-world experiences. And if this guide helped you see a path forward, give the video a thumbs up. Your feedback tells the algorithm that people need this information, and it helps more borrowers find it. Finally, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a future update on student loan developments, tax tips, or any other money-savvy advice. Stay vigilant, protect your paycheck, and I'll see you in the next video.